बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला मुहम्मद व अला आलि मुहम्मद कमा सल्लैता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद। अल्लाहुम्मा बारिक अला मुहम्मद व अला आलि मुहम्मद कमा बारकता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद। अस्सलामु अलैकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। Students, I hope you all are fine and welcome to another lesson from Iqra Phonic Reader 2. Students, as you know, we are revising the double letter phonograms in detail, okay, and I hope you are learning the sound numbers and you are focusing on your vocabulary also, because IPR 2 में हमें बहुत से words मिलते हैं जो आपके लिए न्यू हैं और उनको आप अच्छे से लर्न भी कर सकते हैं, आप उनको अपने डेली लैंग्वेज में यूज़ भी कर सकते हैं। एंड द वर्ड्स आर रियली वेरी इजी, ओके। किसी भी एक फोनोग्राम को लेके यू आर हैविंग मल्टीपल वर्ड्स, ओके, बहुत सारे वर्ड्स आपको मिलते हैं IPR 2 में। सो यू हैव टू मीन्स स्टे फोकस्ड while reading IPR 2, okay. So it's for revision time. We are going to revise our previous learned phonograms and then we will start today's lesson. Let's start revision with me. Sh as in fish, E as in tree, ao, o, u, a, u, ch, k, sh. R as in car, A as in day, A as in paint. Okay students, we have covered all these phonograms and daily basis पे हम इनको रिवाइज भी करें। I hope आपको साउंड अच्छे से याद हो रही होंगी। Now we are moving forward towards our today's phonogram, which is, you can see in my hand, and you will tell me how many sounds does this phonogram have. Very good, it has only one sound. And what is the sound? Excellent. OA as in boy. Once again, OA as in boy. So let's have a look for some of the examples of this phonogram and then we will start today's lesson. Okay my dear students, as you can see, it's OA phonogram and these are the words you can see on the board. Let's start reading the words with the help of its phonogram sound. Let's start. Toy, toy, boy, boy, enjoy, enjoy, voyage, voyage, oyster, oyster. Okay, in this way words will come in your paper. You will underline the phonogram and you will write sound number. So can you guess the phonogram from all the words? Very good. First of all, you will underline the phonogram. In all the words we have OA phonogram, as you can see. Now we will write the sound number. How many sounds does this phonogram have? Very good, it has only one sound. How many sounds? One sound. So we will write sound number on the phonogram. In this way, students, you will solve this question in paper and you have to be very careful about the sound numbers. Is it okay students? Now we are going to read the sentences from IPR 2. Your book should be opened in front of you. Okay my dear students, we are going to read the sentences having OA phonogram. Let's start reading and look at the pictures carefully. Please do not destroy the toys. Please do not destroy the toys. Look at the picture. Destroy mean, yes, खराब करना, टॉयज को खराब करना. डू नॉट डिस्ट्रॉय द टॉयज. नेक्स्ट वन. आई होप योर वॉयज वॉज जॉयफुल. आई होप योर वॉयज वॉज जॉयफुल. वॉयज मीन रिवर जर्नी, ओके, टू ट्रेवल इन अ रिवर बाय अ शिप इज कॉल्ड वॉयज एंड जॉयफुल मीन इंटरेस्टिंग, enjoyable. आई होप योर वॉयज वॉज जॉयफुल. वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट वन. Abid enjoys his work as a boy. Abid enjoys his work as a boy. Is it clear students? Now come towards next sentences. Okay, next one. Sarah likes oysters. Sarah likes oysters. Oysters, as you can see in the picture, it's an edible fish, okay. It's the kind of fish that most of the people likes to eat. Okay, oyster. Next one, the boy is playing with toys. The boy is playing with toys. Look at the picture carefully and look at the phonogram. OA phonogram, it's written with red color. It means it has only one sound. Now come towards next page. Okay, my dear students, now we are going to read a paragraph and the topic is a boy in the toy shop. A boy in the toy shop. Look at the picture. There are many toys and there is a boy in the toy shop. Okay, let's start reading the given paragraph with me. Okay, let's start reading. A boy and his mother went to get a toy. A boy and his mother went to get a toy. The boy pointed to a toy ship. The boy pointed. Read it 3 times. Pointed, pointed, pointed to a toy ship. Mother got the toy ship for the boy. Mother got the toy ship for the boy. The boy was filled with joy. The boy was filled with joy. He went to the pond. He went to the pond. He had a lot of fun with his toy. He had a lot of fun with his toy. Is it clear, students? In this way you will do reading of the paragraph 5 times. Now come towards worksheet. Okay, you will mark today's date and it's a worksheet for the phonogram OA. Let's start reading the words given in the box. First of all, voyage, voyage, boy, boy, employ, employ. Okay, students, and the red color tells us about the sound number 1. Now read, match and rewrite the words. Let's start reading. Joy, deploy, toy, destroy, enjoy, voyage. Once again, joy, deploy, toy, destroy, enjoy, voyage. We will do matching with the same words and then we will write here. Let's start doing matching with light pencil. Okay, my dear students, in this way you will solve the activity. You will do matching and then you will write here, and this activity is given for your written practice, so your writing should be neat and clean. Now come towards next activity. Okay, students, the activity which are going to do is really very interesting. It's read and write the jumbled words. Jumbled mean wrong spelling. The words given are with wrong spelling. We have to correct the spelling and then we will write here. Look at the picture and try to guess the word. Look at the picture. Very good. Voyage. Once again, voyage. Joy, joy. Toy, toy. Let's start solving this activity. Okay, students, in this way you will solve the activity. You will write the correct words in the blanks. Now look at the last one. It's convoy, convoy. And this oyster, oyster. Convoy, convoy. As you can see, look at the picture. Convoy mean to go in protection. ठीक है, आप लोग देख सकते हैं एक गाड़ी आगे, उसके पीछे बहुत सारी गाड़ियाँ जो इसकी हिफाजत कर रही हैं, तो इट्स convoy. Okay, oyster, it's a kind of fish, as you know. पीछे भी हमने इस वर्ड को पढ़ा है, and it's edible. Okay, so in this way you will solve the activity and you will do reading of page number 37 and 38 5 times, and you will solve the given activity. We will meet in next lesson. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.